Alright, you guys, here's another great campground here in Florida that I want to share with you guys. So let's get inside and check it out. I want to start off by saying that this park is only $2 to enjoy it. You heard me right, $2. And it's open from 8 o'clock in the morning to dark. So it is a great hidden gem that you may not even know that's here tucked away in Hillsborough County, outside of Tampa, right in Plant City. Right here, we're going to go through the gate, and there is a lake right on the right hand side, and we're going to swing on around because I want to show it to you, where you can rent canoes and go out on the lake. Now, the ranger did tell me that they did not recommend we take Noodle and Pepper if we wanted to go out canoeing, because alligators love little dogs, and they have some alligators over in this lake. So if you come to this park, make sure that you don't take your doggies out on the water. Just go and enjoy it. They do rent the canoes. They're $25 for 4 hours. And there's the canoe launch right there. You go on down and they have the canoes as well as kayaks as well. And you can have a wonderful time. Now, when you get into this park, there's so much to do. And this is just one little piece of it with the canoes. Now, at the time of this video, on the left hand side is a gigantic park for the kids, but it's closed because they're doing renovations and they're updating it to make it safe and make it fun. But as you can see, there's different streets that go to different walking paths that you can take that go close to the water, or they meander beside the water all the way through. There are picnic shelters, so if you just want to come and spend the day, you can do that. And the picnic shelters are done on a first come, first serve basis. So if this is a place you want to come check out, they have plenty of them, but you have to get here first. Now, this road takes you to the boat ramp. Now, at the moment, the boat ramp is closed. I know they're doing some upgrades over here as well, but I just wanted to show you, just in case you're one of those campers that travel with all your toys, you bring your boat. There is a boat ramp here where you can go out on the boat ramp, and it is right around the corner. So I just wanted to show you that so you can see that it is here and you can bring your things and have a good time. Okay, you guys, our next stop is going to be the boardwalk. Now, I do want to tell you, if you are out and about walking with your fur babies, they're not allowed on the boardwalk, nor are your bikes. So just be prepared to leave the fur babies somewhere safe if you're going to take the walk out on the boardwalk. Now, when you go out here, it has its own wildlife. They have the frogs, they have all these beautiful exotic birds, they have the alligators, they have a lot of stuff for you to see, and it is a beautiful easy walk. So we are going to park here. It's right next to the boat ramp. We're going to go and check out the boardwalk. I told you guys the views did not disappoint. Look at those fluffy clouds. And just imagine what's lurking out there in that marsh. But it is absolutely gorgeous. It's an easy walk. You can sit along the way if you want. And you can get all the way to the end, which is where we're headed, to check it out. I know that there are lots of people who enjoy nature and the calmness of it, and this is perfect. Now, they do not allow fishing off of these piers. So over here, it is off limits for fishing. It's just for your viewing pleasure, for you to come and enjoy and be immersed in nature. As beautiful as this place is, and it is beautiful, let me tell you, you guys, there are so many bugs, so many love bugs. If you don't know what a love bug is, it's two bugs stuck together at the butt, and they are a nuisance. But this is wildlife galore, and it's right here in Plant City. Who knew this gorgeous view is just right here in your backyard? So put this one on the list, guys. My goodness. Okay, you guys, right here is the trash can, and as we go a little further, you'll see the dumping station. And I want to give you a little bit of information about this campground. It is $24 a night, and so it's just water and electric at the site, but it's totally worth it. You can have up to 1 RV and 2 tents in each site. And if you are 55 and older, it's only $18 per night. And I think they do something if you're like a Florida resident as well. So it's a great price. It's absolutely affordable. And most places only allow you to be there for 14 days, but this one allows you to stay for 30 days. So if you're on a fixed income, this would be a great place to come, especially if you're 55 and older, and it's only $18 a night. Now, this first section we're going into, it is the higher numbers. I think it's like 1 through 42 is on the other side. That's where we are. But here we are on the higher numbers, the bigger circle where you can see all of the motor coaches and tents and areas. It's a beautiful park. It gives you ample enough space. It's like a little neighborhood. You're not on top of one another, and everybody's just having a good time. So I'm going to let you enjoy the view, and I will come back and we'll finish up our video. Now straight ahead is a little screen house, and there is a walking trail right behind it, as you can see. And in each area there's a restroom. So here are the restrooms right here. They have the bags for the puppies so you can walk them around, and everything's pretty much paved, so it's great for walking the dogs or just walking yourself or riding your bikes. I just wanted to end this video with you checking out our site here. It has been a wonderful stay here. We're leaving tomorrow, heading to our next stop. But gosh, you guys, look. It is so quiet. It's beautiful, and the space is well worth the $24 a night, and you can stay up to 30 days. So keep that in mind when you're looking for a place.